Hello everyone, we are going to solve 2 power 3 by 4 power 2 whole power minus 1. So let's start with today's video solution. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe it. So I'm going to use exponent rule, that is x power m by x power n. We can write it as x power m minus n. So what in this exponent rule, the base are equal. So first I'm going to make the base equal in terms of 2. So it's 2 power 3. 4 we can write it as 2 square whole square power minus 1. So 2 power 3 by it becomes 2 power 4 whole power minus 1. Now we are going to use this rule. So 2 power 3 minus 4 whole power minus 1. So 2 power minus 1 whole power minus 1. So 2 power minus 1 I can write it as, by using the exponent rule, x power m power n, we can write it as x power mn. So it becomes 2 power minus 1 times minus 1, that is 2 power 1, 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you face any difficulty related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.